Hello, Flower Glamorous Cooking with Beverly family. Today we are making a chocolate trifle dessert. If you never had one before, you're in for a rude awakening. We will be right back and you can learn how to make one. Okay, I am back. The ingredients in this dessert, you can use a chocolate cake or brownies. I have 8 heath bars broken up. This is it, heath bars. Chocolate pudding that is already gelled. And Cool Whip. So let's begin the process so you can learn how to make this easy dessert, and it is delicious and your family will love it. My hands are clean, I already washed them. So we're going to put some of the brownies, because I'm using brownies, in the bottle. Next, we're going to add some chocolate pudding to it. Then we're going to put some heath bars on top of that. Some Cool Whip. Now to add more of the rest of the brownies. I'm going to put the rest of the chocolate pudding. Now some more Cool Whip. And when you get this together, you are supposed to let it sit in the refrigerator and chill for 24 hours. Or a few hours, whichever. Now we're going to put the rest of the heath bars on top of this. Here is your quick dessert. Look at it. You see the heat bars on top, the chocolate pudding, the whipped cream, and the brownies. And you can use chocolate cake, whatever cake product you want to use, you can use that. You can use different other kinds of candy bars, or you can use fruit. But if you have a trifle dish, this will make a beautiful dessert. I hope you enjoyed, and the directions, the recipe will be down in the description box. So please look at it, check it out, try it for yourself, leave me a comment, let me know how it worked out for you. How did it taste? This beautiful dessert. Don't forget, if it's your first time coming to my channel, to subscribe, ring the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Did you hear that thunder? It's getting ready to storm. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing